Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.704 a coin. The present exchange cost range $688 to $749. The earlier day close $739. The change was 0.35 to 1%. Backwards rate US to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 7,143 coins. Excessive cost 7,143, while low 5,882. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,605. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 6,250. Change for August 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,250, while low 5,000. Found the middle value of cost 5,691. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,263. Change for September 15.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 5,263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,263, while low 4,762. Found the middle value of cost 5,072. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,000. Change for October 5%. US to Doge expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 5,000 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4,167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,678. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,5045. Change for November 9.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 4,545 coins. Excessive cost 4,545, while low 3,571. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,127. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,846. Change for December 15.4%. US to Doge expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 3,846 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,846, while low 3,226. Found the middle value of cost 3,592. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,448. Change for January 10.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,457. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,448. Change for February 0%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,369. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,333. Change for spring 3,3%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,333, while low 2,703. Found the middle value of cost 3,057. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,857. Change for April 14.3%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 2,857 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,564. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,807. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,778. Change for May 2.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 2,778 coins. Excessive cost 2,941, while low 2,500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,731. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,703. Change for June 2.7%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 2,703 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,439. Found the middle value of cost 2,658. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,632. Change for July 2.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 2,632 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,439. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,640. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,632. Change for August 0%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for February 2026. Initially cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 241, while low 2,500. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,712. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,703. Change for February 0%. US to Doge expectation for walk 2026. At the outset cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,703. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 216. The S to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 3030. Change for spring 12.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 3,030 coins. Excessive cost 3,125, while low 2,778. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,969. The OS to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,941. Change for April 2.9%. OS to Doge expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 2,941 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 2,941. They found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,4048. Change for May 17.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 4,545, while low 3,4048. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,902. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,167. Change for June 29%. US to Doge expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 4,167 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 4,167. They found the middle value of cost 4,470. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 4,545. Change for July 9.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for August 2026. To start with cost at 4,545 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 4,000. They found the middle value of cost 4,4014. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 4,348. Change for August 4.3%. US to Doge expectation for September 2026. First and foremost cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 4,167. They found the middle value of cost 4,515. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 4,545. Change for September 4.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October 2026. First and foremost cost at 4,545 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 4,545. They found the middle value of cost 5,132. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5